Hello friends, this is Ghosh from Paktur Blogger channel. So today in this video I will tell you how to connect JetPack on your WordPress website freely without paying any single penny. But let me just ask you, do you know what is JetPack for WordPress and why do we need to install it to our WordPress website? Well, there are so many reasons which will make you to install this plugin on your website. First of all, Jetpack is the largest WordPress based company in the world. Jetpack is not only prevent your website from malicious attacks, but it does many more things. It deals with traffic and SEO tools. You can see a traffic icon here if you install it. It deals with security and backup services. It can help you make elegant, fast, and rich contents, and it's always there for you. You can process site, your content, images, and videos by using this platform. Jetpack works as a security firewall to your website. It prevents malicious attacks. It can also increase your site with state and SEO. So friends, for installing we need to go to our plugin bar and click add new. Then you need to click on search engine, you need to click Jetpack by WordPress. But as we can see here, so we don't need to search it. Let's just install it. Once you install, then you need to click on activate. So we activate it, but first we need to sign up for Jetpack. There are two ways you can do this sign up. You can either use this website. As you can see here, these are the packages which Jetpack offer you. For personal use it 119 lira premium, but we will start with free. But I will show you from this plugin. So let's just set up a Jetpack account. So here they are asking choose an account to set up Jetpack, continue with WordPress or continue with Google. Let me say continue with WordPress. So from here you need to provide your email. Once you are done, you need to click on create your account. And as you can see here, it will automatically connect it to your WordPress website. Here they are asking which plan you would like to use, but I don't want to use these plans. I will go with free. So friends, this is the Jetpack dashboard. Improve your site performance and step you need to activate this, and also you need to activate this thing. And here site stats, you can click on okay, got it. And here you can see the traffic. Like before that we was unable to see any visitors or comments on our website. Now you can even see your overall day visitors and overall views. Once you scroll down here, you can see you'll find threads early, so we can fix them very fast. These features only they are giving if you are using paid version. Here you can also activate this button. It will actively blocking malicious login attempts from your website. And here if you click on the setting, you will see the whole section of tools for helping you with. If you click on performance, you can also enable this accelerator. It will speed up image load time and your static file load time. And if you click on writing section, You can also activate this one, but I don't want to use this feature. You can choose which feature you would like to show on your website. If you click on sharing button, it will help you to share automatically your post and social networks. If you click here, you don't need to install one more plugin to show your social media icons. You can simply add it from here. In discussion, you can leave comments or introduce your uh, website. If you click traffic icon, you can activate this feature. You can also connect your site to Google Analytics with the JetPack Premium or Professional, but these two features only available for paid versions. WP.me short links by using this plugin. And one last thing and very important, if you would like to add multiple website by using your this Jetpack login, then you can simply open a new browser and write wordpress.com, and from here you can simply add your website. For example, if you open another website, then you can use install this Jetpack plugin, and by using the same username and password. Once you done that, then it will appear here. So from here you can, once you click on site pages, you can see all of your content. So friends, that's it from today's video. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you in my next video.